Hey guys, welcome back to an RGTV. Today we're going to do a creamy jalapeno ranch dip, and this is so awesome and easy to throw together. It is really good. Everyone that tries it absolutely loves it. And what we're going to need is 16 ounces of mayonnaise, 1.5, actually this is half a recipe. Okay, it makes quite a bit. So for the half recipe, it's 16 ounces of mayonnaise, a packet and a half of ranch mix, dry mix, 1/2 bunch of cilantro, half a cup of tomatillas, half a cup of jalapenos with juice, and half a cup of buttermilk, and that's all that we need. So let's just throw this together. We're going to start out with our mayonnaise. And my bowl might be a bit too big for this, but that's okay. Okay. And I'm just kind of going with what I think is about 16 ounces. It would be just a little bit more than half of this container. Okay, I think we about got it there. Then we're going to add our half a cup of tomatillas. And I actually have a recipe on my channel that shows how to can tomatillas, but you can use fresh ones or canned ones from the store. Then we're going to need half a cup of buttermilk. And of course, you can double the recipe. We're going to add our packet and a half of ranch mix. And half a cup of jalapenos. You can see how quickly this goes together. And it's going to be jalapenos and juice. And I don't want all juice, so I'm going to do this over the sink real quick. Out every possible bit of juice in the jar down the sink. All right. So half a cup of jalapenos. And we're going to add our half of a bunch of cilantro. And we're going to just blend this up. I've already cleaned my cilantro. Going to throw that in there, and we're just going to basically combine this all together until the jalapenos are in fine pieces. Okay, so I'll bring you back once I have that. Okay, so here is our creamy jalapeno ranch dip. I did let it sit overnight in the fridge. If you can wait that long, stuff is so delicious. There's actually a pretty well-known restaurant in Texas that makes this, and it's really hard to get the recipe. However, here it is for you today. Give it a try. Even if you're not really into jalapenos, this has got a nice coolness behind it, and you can control the heat. I'm just gonna get my chip and just kind of show you the consistency. It's thick, but it's not too thick. Again, let me know what you guys think. Let me know you were here. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and as always guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.